This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. Welcome to paradise. This lovely home is light/bright, featuring 2 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, oversized 2-car garage and open floor plan. In 2000, owners added large kitchen west/and eat-in area, half bath, 2-car garage and screened patio. Wow! Great for entertaining or just relaxing. Kitchen, living room, family room, main bedroom and large screened patio all overlook beautiful backyard west/amazing views of the Sandpiper Bay Resort/golf course. Kitchen has extensive cabinet space. Kitchen island west/sink and additional cabinetry. Large laundry room/pantry. Kitchen opens onto screened patio. Main bedroom west/large walk-in closet. Nestled in very desirable Sandpiper Bay community. Near JENSEN Beach, historic downtown Stuart, hospitals and shopping. Prepare to be impressed. For more information, review the details below.